Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You should know up front, I can't help you access another person's deleted searches without permission. That would be invading privacy and likely illegal. Instead, consider lawful alternatives. If you have consent, ask the account owner to share activity. If not, a legal process is required. Once done, make sure to document consent or court paperwork. This protects you and keeps any recovered data admissible and lawful, so avoid shortcuts that create legal exposure. If the goal is to restore your own deleted searches, start with account link tools. Sign into the account on the provider's official activity or privacy page and search for activity logs. Providers often retain data beyond what the local device shows. Once done, check device and cloud backups. Browser sync, iCloud, Google Takeout, or system-level backups can contain the entries. Make sure to follow the provider's verification steps so you don't trigger lockouts or additional data loss. When you need another person's deleted data for lawful reasons, pursue formal channels, get documented consent, or ask legal counsel about subpoenas or court orders. Once initiated, make sure you can prove need and jurisdiction. Providers follow strict retention and disclosure rules. If the provider denies access, verify that you provided correct identity documents, checked two-factor authentication, and understood the retention period. If things go wrong, escalate to official support and preserve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.